Page 128, internal tangents to circles. The question I'm doing here now is the coffee maker. So we have two circles, we have one radius 20, one radius 12, and we want an internal tangent touching the two of those to create the handle of the coffee maker. So 20 and 12 gives me 32, so we're adding the radii. Draw a big circle, radius 32, around the 20 circle. Join the centers. Bisect the line. Here comes to more than half. Swing an arc. Swing an arc. Tip of the compass on the midpoint. Measure to either center point to give me my semicircle. Where the semicircle cuts the big circle gives me a point X. Join that back to the center point. Parallel lines. So this line and this line are parallel. That gives me my 2 points of contact. Point of contact 1, point of contact 2. And then we can heavy in as much of that as we need. At the bottom, we're only using a quarter of it. So that's the handle completed. Right, up here we have a dome shape lid. Okay, we have 3 points, A, B and C. Those 3 points are part of that arc. So therefore, from our circles theories earlier on in the year, we know that if we create a chord and we create a second chord, if we bisect those 2 chords, the bisectors will give you the center point. So swing your arc, swing your arc, swing your arc, swing your arc. So that's one bisector. Second bisector. Where the 2 bisectors cross gives you the center point. So therefore that's the center point. Measure to either A, B or C, and that gives you your lid. And that is the coffee maker question completed.